my God. What do you want?
I want you to be still for now so we can at least do the intro.
Okay.
I accidentally did.
Ain't nobody. Wow. You gotta do the intro.
Oh, okay.
Be for real.
Well, we got to begin with for heart.
Hello, my friends and fam. This is Elevate with Kathy Combs on YouTube. Yesterday, my daughter and I filmed for her YouTube channel, and so I'm going to share it with you on mine. We were getting ready for an event, and she did my makeup. Now, you all know I love it when my girl glams me up. So she got my face right, she got Stormy right, so y'all just kick back and enjoy. I forgot to do my intro on yesterday, so here we go today. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, and I wish you many, many more.
Subscribe button.
Y'all heard Ryder? Y'all heard him.
But it's
The big button, not the little one.
Subscribe button.
Tell him, baby. Come tell him.
Subscribe.
Tell him to subscribe.
Hi.
Say, hit the subscribe button.
No.
yes.
And this is my mother. This is our official first video together. Like, you know, sit down video, whatever. And I'm gonna do her makeup for Mother's Day. She has somewhere to go today, so I'm gonna get her real glam or whatever. Subscribe to my girl.
Yes, Elevate with Kathy Combs. Come on over to the room.
Follow her on Instagram. She already got over 10K followers on Instagram. I'm on as a celeb.
My name is
Yeah, come on over to the gram. I'm gonna leave everything on the screen, in the description box, all of the things. Y'all hear Ryder, but y'all know the drill.
And if you got kids, learning with Mrs. Combs, okay?
Yeah, she even got a kid channel for your babies, okay? Her moisturizer. This is her moisturizer of choice. What you wanna do today? Like, what you want on your eyes and stuff like that?
So just make me beautiful, you know.
You wash this.
That's a lot of moisturizer. But y'all know how I am. I'm heavy-handed with product.
I was thinking to myself, it does feel a little thick.
My birthday.
Thick with a Q. Like me.
Hey, thick.
When's my birthday?
It feels good.
Wait.
Be
watch
gentle,
this.
be I thought this was supposed to be like a zen moment. This was more like, what the heck?
I was just joking.
I hope not. I feel like I need to be laying down before she takes my head off.
Alright, we're gonna tie her hair back because her hair is just so long. Hold it back, Mom.
Come on, Stormy.
It's just so long and in the way, girl. All these inches.
Well, you know.
It's so cute. I don't know why I'm nervous, child.
I don't either, and I don't even know why you just going with my stuff.
What you mean? You have to. This is what I use.
Oh, okay.
We done gone shopping, girl. You got the good stuff.
Okay, got the good stuff.
Yes. We're going with the Laura Mercier. What is this? Pure Canvas Primer. It's gonna blur and mattify the skin.
I need to write down the steps. You know what I do. Okay, so it still feels moist, so should I do something?
Nope.
Oh,
You should see your business.
watch mine. Honey, I feel like I'm gonna go to sleep. What were we thinking? Staying up till, what was that, 3 o'clock?
Chad, it was after 3 in the morning. We were staying up watching a movie. J-Lo got a new movie. Is it new? I assume it's new.
Oh yes, it came out this weekend called The Mother.
Sure.
And honey, it is a mother, okay?
Alright, y'all. I better cut it out. But we're gonna use this NARS, the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Tahoe.
Is that what it says?
Tahoe is the shade.
Girl, I thought you said hot hoe.
I mean, you gonna say it.
Hey, that'd be hard. I'm just teasing y'all. I'm a sweet little mama.
Is it giving sweet? Or is it giving bad gal? So my mama doesn't like too heavy of a makeup look. Like she likes to be glam, but she don't really like the heavy contouring and stuff. So I'm gonna take it easy on her. But we still going a little harder than usual, you know what I'm saying?
Do what you want. Do what you want.
Okay, cool.
I give you free reign.
Okay. I was gonna do that anyway.
You should do makeup tutorial classes.
Like in person.
No, like Zoom kind of thing. maybe like a membership something.
I'm with it. Y'all with it? Comment down below. Is y'all with it?
Ooh, look who's here early. Ooh.
My daddy just pulled up, y'all. Y'all
I
excited.
gave him, you need to be back by 4. And what time is it?
Yeah, it probably, I don't know. It's probably, what time do we start, girl? I don't even know. We gotta hurry up, Lord. What time is it, Lord? We got somewhere to be. You know, we gotta learn.
I'm so proud of him.
I'm gonna use Giorgio Armani concealer on my grill. Y'all, please ignore my nails. Oh my God, I'm embarrassed.
Yours Rex.
I like this attention. I haven't had it in a while.
What, getting your makeup done?
Yes, I'm all left.
Girl, I tried to get you some.
Sure, your daily one you want to work on.
Going with my favorite black opal foundation stick. Y'all already know how I do. These are my favorites.
Look at you, Earl.
Hey, Daddy.
Look at you, Earl. Come here. I want me to kiss my lips.
Good. Oh, is that on the?
That's my man.
Oh my God.
Y'all know better than that. Don't put that on the thing. Y'all got that time.
How does it feel to have made it through, what is this, your 37th Mother's Day, 36th Mother's Day?
I thank the Lord for my 3 babies. Been some really, really high times, and then there have been some times like, Lord, are we gonna make it through this? And
Yeah.
I love my babies, love my grandbabies, and I am so thankful to still be able to have some time with my mom. She just turned 92 in March.
Oh yeah, y'all saw her birthday party in a couple vlogs back. She told y'all if y'all got some time to come on down.
Oh, she's a sweetie, she's a sweetie. As a young woman, I said I wanted 5 children. But when I had the 3rd one, I was like, okay, you know what, Lord, I'm good, thank you.
Shit, I used to say I wanted 4 and I done had 1 and I just seen what I needed to see, Lord. You just showed me, okay?
And back in the day, which, well, there are still some families, but back in the day, people had large families. I come from a family of 8, and he as well. And so,
That was just common baby.
yeah. But now I do have a student, if I'm not
Women was
mistaken,
spitting them out.
that they have about 7 or 8 children. So it's not that it doesn't happen now.
Criminal offensive side eye.
It's not that it doesn't happen now, but
That is common.
I'm
Things are a lot more expensive these days.
Oh yeah, I'm thankful for my 3.
Girl, what if you would have stopped at 2? You would have been devastated because what would you have done without me? Like, you would have been so bored.
Now you asked me, how do I feel? How do you feel? This is your what? 3rd or 4th?
We'll just say my 3rd Mother's Day. And honestly, I'm a tired boss, okay? I'm just taking it day by day. Where's your head up, babe?
Honey, probably about to go to sleep. What am I looking like, y'all? I said, I don't have my glasses on, so I can't tell.
Fine as ever. We're going super rosy today. We're going for the gorgeous, gorgeous girl look.
I like to learn to do my brows also.
Okay, y'all, so I had to conceal her brows and kind of start, can y'all see her? Setting her under off camera. My camera overheated, but anywho. And my baby.
Now what are we doing?
Using translucent powder to set your under eye.
doing any kind of shadows or colors?
I ain't got to that yet.
Oh, just checking.
Into your business.
Yeah, I told you I'm gonna need a step by step. So write it all down.
Oh, Lord.
Makeup by number instead of paint by number.
Just gonna start bronzing up her skin first. Reinforce her contour on her nose.
I feel pretty, oh so pretty, oh so pretty.
You need to feel like me in studio.
Oh, I don't know. I think you're gonna have to adjust the way that you speak to me.
Oh boy.
A little something in that tone.
Try this.
I wanna name out my own.
She wants y'all to see her palette, y'all. Tell them what palette you got, girl.
Girl, I don't even know. I don't have my glasses on. You tell me.
It says Truth or Bear. It's by Morphe. This is her one little eyeshadow palette she got, and she's so proud of it.
Whoa. Well, that sounded a little shady.
I'm just playing.
You could have just said, this is my eyeshadow palette.
This is her.
That I never use because I don't know how to apply it.
Exactly. But it's cute.
But I have it for these moments. I sure do.
Yep. Open it back up. Thank you. She's so proud.
We need to do a get ready with me too. Honey, you have to talk me through that moment as well. I haven't done it. I just attempted to do a get ready with me that night when we were going to, what was it, to that play. Remember when I thought I was a grown woman?
Oh my God. I'm embarrassed.
Oh my goodness.
Child, she thought GRWM meant grown woman instead of
I'm
get ready
a
with me.
grown woman. I can do whatever I want.
Okay, y'all, so I had to do a couple things off camera because my camera died, my memory card was full, child, it was just a lot. It was overheating. But this is where we at so far. I finished up her eyes. I just need to apply mascara and lashes. I'm about to spray her face with some Fix Plus to, you know, get the skin going again. Y'all know I'm not afraid to use that spray, okay? Let's wet it down. Wait. Let's just wet it down. You know what I'm saying? Like, doesn't that make you feel like a breath of fresh air? See, I just made her décolleté. Is it décolleté? Décolleté? What's this? Your décolleté? Ain't
The who?
that what it's called?
What?
What's this?
This right here?
Oh, what's that?
My chest?
What's this? Your décolleté. Am I crazy?
I don't know. I'm not familiar with that term.
I'm gonna look it up because I know I'm not crazy. I know I'm not crazy. I don't know how to spell it now. Décolleté. Yeah. Décolleté. Where exactly is your décolleté? Located south of your chin, the beauty industry refers to the décolleté as your neck and chest, a critical cosmetic area that often gets overlooked. Like your face, this part of your body is prone to sun exposure and premature aging. Let's go!
Let's tone it down. Why are we yelling?
Cause I'm excited that I wasn't crazy.
Oh, okay. Well, I did not say that you were wrong. I said that I wasn't familiar with that term.
Well, baby, I just had to make sure I didn't dream about that word.
And by you being in the makeup industry,
That's
right. You're
That'll take you back to my MAC days. Cause you
go.
want to match the foundation to the décolleté.
I'm glad I know I have a negligee. Girl, I thought that y'all were trying to say negligee. I'm gonna say, really?
This how you say it.
Décolleté. Décolleté.
Décolleté. Don't play with that girl. I know what I be talking about. Chill. I was about to say, I'm about to cut that out for a second. You had me thinking I was crazy.
was not familiar with that term. So now I know that I need to not neglect my décolleté.
Exactly.
All right, ladies, all my senior ladies, all my fabulous fam and seasoned ladies, don't neglect the décolleté, okay?
Tell your man don't neglect the décolleté.
Tell him don't neglect any of those tags, okay?
So many days.
Auntie beat you up. Who?
Like it.
Yes. Are you gonna wear lashes too?
All right, so I forgot to bring her lashes, so we gotta use these. That's my mistake. I literally walked right out the house and forgot lashes.
That's when you make do with what you have.
Oh, so her face is complete. It's giving, well, besides her lip, we haven't done the lip yet, but we're probably gonna just do that last after we do her hair. So, ready? Where's your oil? So we're gonna use Donna's recipe. Hairy cream it, I mean.
Not the hairy cream, okay.
Extra creamy.
Extra creamy hair and scalp oil. All right, do that again. We're about to take my twist out and we're gonna use the Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Collection with the extra creamy hair and scalp oil. So I like to put that on my twist to help eliminate the frizz.
Get into it.
Get into
What
it.
Donna say? Get into it. Okay.
So it comes out sort of thick, but then when you rub it in your hands, it warms up and becomes oil. Just like me. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Feel like half up, half down.
What about that?
I'm gonna start in the back. So yeah, I'm just gonna take her twist out and then we're just gonna fluff it and decide the style from there. Okay y'all, so this is what it's giving. We took all her twists out and so what do y'all think? Comment down below. I mean, I know it's gonna be too late, but still comment down below. Should we just leave it down like this? Should we pick it out, give it a little volume, a little volume? Or should we do a little half up, half down, a little updo? Like, what's it giving? What would y'all do? What would Jesus do? You can look in your mirror for your eyeshadow palette.
I
your
think I want
favorite.
some volume. Let's get a little volume going.
Okay, bang. And then the bang.
I'll
The
be right back.
bang.
Usually my volume comes after days, not actually me giving the actual volume.
I just do it like I would have done my taking the gifts. Yeah. Cause y'all, if y'all not new here, I used to have hair. Like, don't play on my top now. I used to have hair. I used to have a big fro. We used to get into the curls for the girls. So don't try to play around with me. I know what to do with some long hair. I just don't prefer it on myself. Don't play with me. Sorry, don't play with me. Get into my girl, y'all. Get into my girl. This is the finished look. It's giving. She looks gorgeous. And now I gotta get her dressed, okay? So thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe to my girl. I love you. I thank you. You're the greatest gift ever.
I love you, Renee, and thank you for my glam look on this day.
Okay, baby. Doesn't grandma look pretty? Look at how pretty. Oh,